The Moravian musical heritage forms a vital link in the history of American music and culture. The Moravian Music Foundation is custodian of some 10,000 manuscripts and early imprints, which comprise music by both Moravian and non-Moravian composers. Sacred and secular, American and European, vocal and instrumental.
The Moravian Music Foundation preserves, shares, and celebrates Moravian musical culture. The Foundation preserves the musical history of the Moravian Church, caring for and cataloging a treasure trove of music. The Foundation shares Moravian music through publications and recordings, videos and online content, tours, lectures, and workshops. And the Foundation celebrates Moravian music with concerts, festivals, and electronic media, and partners with outside musical groups and the worldwide Moravian Church.
The Foundation was formed to care for and research the musical treasures of the 18th and 19th century Moravians and to bring them into the light.
The Foundation's resources are open to scholars and students worldwide. Through our online catalog, Gemeincat, which is available to the public on worldcat.org, the Foundation shares Moravian music with the world and cultivates research. David Bloom, research librarian, will assist with your inquiries and requests.
Our archival holdings are housed in both the Archie K. Davis Center in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and in the Moravian Archives in the Northern Province in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. The Moravian Music Foundation has an extensive reference library and publishes books and booklets about Moravian music.